Picture this. We spent the entire day kayaking down the Neckar. It was such an adventure. The currents were wild at that time, and we even had to carry the kayak around the weir. Exhausting? For sure. But somehow it all came together perfectly in the end. We reached our campsite just as the sun was setting, with just enough light to set up our tent. Our hands were totally wrecked, our feet soaked, but sliding into a warm sleeping bag made everything worth it. The sweet mix of exhaustion and contentment. You can't beat it.